Well, I'm back to work on the dashboard of my 32 Plymouth Coupe. Here's where we left off. So my next step is to just go through here and put some more tacks in here, weld this all the way across the bottom, and then fill these holes up here and decide if I'm going to continue with this. If I'm going to continue with this, I'll put some more tacks on that. And then I'll sandblast it, clean it up, prime it. I sanded all the loose rust and paint off of this. Had about 4 layers of paint on it, and the layers of paint were hiding some kind of deep pitted rust in here. I think I'm going to try some sort of chemical to get the deep pitted rust out before I prime it. I soaked this sponge in vinegar, and I'm going to let that set on there for a couple of hours and come back and see if it helps pull that rust out of that area there. The vinegar's been sitting on here for about an hour. Let's see what it does. You can see where the sponge sat, so it's eating up a whole lot of the pitted rust that's in there. I think I'm going to put it back on and probably leave it overnight, and then I'll just continue to move it up and down this area until I get all this surface rust. I scraped the inside with a wire brush and got all the loose rust off of it. I'm going to put some of this Loctite rust neutralizer on the inside and then repaint the inside of it. Well, here it is finished. Got all the holes filled. Got it sanded down and all smoothed out. That last coat of primer I put on it is just a sandable primer. I've got to sand it one more time before I paint it, but I'm going to put it away for now because I haven't decided whether I'm going to paint it black like the car or gray like the car's interior. I cut these little black pieces of paper out to arrange them in here the way I'm going to put my gauges in. And what I'll do is I'm going to leave it setting out for a while and look at this and decide if I like how I like the gauges. I've got a lot of options I can do with putting the gauges in. So what I'll do is I'll put them in, arrange them in a particular pattern and leave it for a few days, and then whichever one I like best is how I'll go ahead and mark it out to put gauges in it. So. Currently, this seems to be my favorite arrangement for the gauges. It's a pretty standard arrangement. So for now, I'll just set it aside and prepare to take the old dashboard out and put this one in this winter. That way I can still play with the car this summer, and it'll be a winter project swapping dashboards out. Thanks for watching.